Hello, welcome to our Tech Notes. In this video, we will show you two possible options to charge your Apple Pencil. The first generation, which requires a charging port as it cannot be charged wirelessly. If you are wondering about the charging time, do not worry, you will see that as well. Please watch this video until the end because we've got some surprising results to share. As you can see, here is our Apple Pencil, an iPad, and the USB-C cable for the power adapter that can be used to charge the pencil, which is optional. Out of two different charging options, you can either directly connect the Apple Pencil to an iPad, or use the power adapter. For this video, we're using iPad 6th generation. Please make sure the pencil is compatible with your iPad. Some Apple products are not compatible with the first generation pencil. Anyway, charging option 1. You can directly connect the pencil to the iPad. This is the direct connection, no wire is needed. We've got the Apple Pencil plugged right into our iPad. Let's start the clock and keep an eye on the battery percentage so that we can precisely find out how long it takes to fully charge or how quickly we can charge it. Alright, it's charging up, and we'll check back in a bit. Using the other option, option 2. We can use the USB-C port with a power adapter. Now, let's switch things up and use a power adapter. Surprisingly, our experiments showed that this method takes a bit longer. Let's dive in and see the numbers. It took way longer, and to be precise, more than an hour while compared to direct which took about 20 minutes. Interesting, right? We'll let it charge and compare the results shortly. This screen shows the time difference, left and right screen. So, after some time, let's compare the results. You might be surprised by what we found. Now that we've answered the burning question, we want to hear from you. What's your preferred way of charging your Apple Pencil? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps this channel going. If you enjoyed this video, consider sharing it with your friends who might find it useful. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos including tech tips, experiments, and reviews. Thank you again for tuning in. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.